police uniform, police cap, handcuffs, tablet. Officer Kiki, go, go, go! Officer Kiki, over here! Miss Mamie, please tell me exactly what happened.
Today we came here for an autumn trip. A kid was tricked by a bad guy with candy and then missing. Please help me, Officer Kiki.
Do you have any information about the kid or the bad guy?
Yes, these two kids have seen the bad guy. Here's the picture of the missing kid.
We need to create a portrait of the bad guy. Kids, can you help me? No problem. Yes, that's him. He's the bad guy. Okay, thank you. Now go to the police station and check the surveillance to find the location of the bad guy. Find out where he is. Tap on each location station. Candy store. Lawn. Station. You found the bad guy! You're amazing! The bad guy is taking the kid to the station. We have to get over there. This is the portrait of the bad guy. Find out where he is. The bad guy doesn't look like this. Look at the portrait again. That's not a bad guy. Look again carefully. That's not a bad guy. Look again carefully. We found the bad guy. We found the missing child. Don't be afraid, kid. Officer Kiki is here to catch the escaping bad guy right away. The bad guy doesn't look like this. Look at the... Yes, that's him. Catch him. Let's see where you're running to. Oh no, Officer Kiki. I won't dare to do it again. During outdoor activities, the kids went to somewhere else without the teacher's agreement. Is this correct? You are fantastic! When we are outside, we should stay where the adults tell us to. Help Kiki, police uniform, police cap, police PD, and walkie-talkie. Officer Kiki! Kid, I'm Officer Kiki. What's the matter? Officer Kiki, I can't find my dad. Oh, don't worry. Let's find him together. What does your dad look like? I have a picture, but it's ripped to pieces. It's okay. Let's put the pieces of the photo together.
Guoguo! Guoguo, where are you?
Dad!
Hi!
That's my dad!
Hi!
Awesome! Whoa has found his dad! Thank you, Officer Kiki. You're welcome. Don't wander off again. When Guo was lost, he called out for his father in panic. Is this all right? You are fantastic! When we are lost, we should try to stay calm. Do not scream or cry, or tell strangers that we are separated from our family. Officer Kiki, I've lost my keys. Can you help me? Don't worry, Officer Kiki is on his way. Police uniform. Police cap. Handcuffs. Police PD. Officer Kiki, go, go, go! Officer, over here. Here. Hello, I'm Officer Kiki. What happened here? Don't worry. Where did you lose it? Show me the place. My lollipop. Thank you, Officer Kiki. You're welcome. Mew Mew put the keys back after using them. Is this all right? Excellent. Put your things where they belong. Don't lose them.